Welcome to another video. This is the front page of our channel. We're now going to customize it by adding more fields to it. As you can observe and see, the channel has few videos displaying on its front page. It has few videos. So now, we're going to customize this to add more videos under a playlist. We're going to make the playlist to appear in a single format with the videos on the front page. So, head over to YouTube Studio. This is YouTube Studio. Click Customization on the left-hand corner. Under Customization you will see the channel trailer section, so we're going to add a channel trailer. On this right-hand side, click Add. So, we're choosing this video as a trailer. So, we now continue to add other fields. You can add a featured video for returning subscribers. Here, we're going to have featured sections. It indicates customize the layout of your channel. So, we're going to add different sections. And the sections we're adding a single playlist. You can add created playlist, multiply playlist, but here, we're going to add single playlist. Single playlist. So, click here. So, we select this playlist. See, it has been added first. Then we head further to add more single playlist. Take this, we add more single playlist, single. Playlist, single playlist, single playlist. So when you are done with adding the type of playlist you desire, click Publish. So, now we're going to see how it looks. Click Go to the channel. So, as you can see, the front page is now displaying differently. This is how it now looks. The different playlists we added in single format are now displaying on the front page. All displaying. In comparison, this is how the front page previously looked. However, with the customization we did, this is how it now looks. That's all for this videos. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like our videos.